it's at the club area. Had a lot of dirty, but I think they keep working every day. It's a small town, and it's a old town. If you look like there, get a lot of tree. This time the tree look like dry because of the cold, too cold. You see, like that one was a little store, small store, and they're still waiting right there. This is a small old town. If you can see, old building is gone. The business down, that's the old one, and it's too dirty there. Some areas, some other areas clean, some others working on site. But if you look to the little small highway, get nobody, it's a few cars go here and there, and only police station right there, and all this is old company there is already over, not working anymore. Some other different places are destroyed. Maybe I'm on a way to find out the club homes. That is, see, like this location. It's look like Gichagi. It's a old village or pension. So we try to get now around a little bit and see. It's a real very tiny road. I don't know how much they pay this house here. It's a little small house. Still Ukraine, but you can imagine it's a really old house. As you can see today, it's a real small code, and I'll keep looking, and you can see it right there. It's a good house, but maybe 45, between 45 years old to 80. But it looks like a nice area. It looks beautiful, but it's too narrow to the people. Very squeezed house, as you can see there. Look nice, but too, you know me. All the cars have to park there on the road, no parking lot inside. In the yard, no backyard. Maybe some others have, some others does. As you can see, many people parking on the roadside. Okay, thank you. Keep. It's a dumpster truck. Dumpster truck. Down street there is a protection stadium. Now, like you can see there.